Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Meche Bett&win. I want to show you this latest tricks available on this option. This option is very simple to use. So all you need is to pay attention to this. This option is when you come to voting to score. When you come to voting to score, when you see two odds like this, like 2.03, 1.80, see what you do here is choose the one that is down, the down one. The down one is what you're going to choose. Play the down one over 1.5. Play it over 1.5. Play it direct over 1.5, or play it, you choose this voting to score. It's working perfectly, but sometimes I advise you play it over 1.5. They're going to play over 1.5. Once you see two resemble odd like this, choose the one for down, leave the one for up. Choose the one for down as over 1.5. Is working perfectly. So another one is once you see odds like this, 1.96, then the other one 1.85. You see, after 5 you count 6. After 5 you count 6. You see 85. The other one is 96. This work for even for other options. What you're going to choose is the one with 6. The one with 6, you play it over 1.5. Don't choose this direct voting to score. Go direct over 1.5. It's not gonna fail you. Play it over 1.5. Once you see something like this on go, this is voting to score, which is go. Go means both teams must score goal. So once you see something like this, go and play it over 1.5. Do for 1.5 is not going to fail you, especially for those taking high. This is option for you. Very nice. So it's working perfectly. So this is what I want to draw for you guys now. This is latest tricks. All right, fast fingers can grab it on time. So this is Meche Bett&win. In case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And also, if you need more tricks, you can chat me on WhatsApp. Of course, not all tricks are mentioned here. So in case you need the teaching on WhatsApp, you chat me on 070-3676-0527, or you need the game directly, you chat me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527. This is Meche Bett&win. All right, see you next on the next video. Please like and share. Thank you guys. See you on the next video.